Do you love getting your hands on all the latest gadgets and tech products? We have a hunch that you wouldn't be watching this video if you didn't. Of course, finding every new innovation to come out is a pretty tall order among all the rehashed and totally unexciting products we see every day. That's why we've put in the hard work for you and gathered together a list of 10 latest gadgets and inventions that will blow your mind. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing. Number 10, SQUEEZYBAND. If the last few months have taught us anything, it's that personal hygiene is more important than ever before. Keeping your hands clean and free of germs can be challenging as you go about your day-to-day life, but SQUEEZYBAND makes it easy to scrub up and blast those nasty microscopic bugs on the go. This specially designed wristband uses a simple squirting mechanism that's not only hard to break, but also incredibly efficient. It sprays out hand sanitizer directly onto the palm of your hand so that you always have access to the ability to clean your hands no matter where you are. It's ideal for anyone who spends a lot of time in busy public areas where other people are constantly touching everything, such as gyms, grocery stores, and schools. It's also great for anyone who works in healthcare or veterinary industries where sanitation has to be taken incredibly seriously. With a 15 milliliter capacity, super easy to refill design, and several awesome color options to choose from, can you really afford to be without a SQUEEZYBAND of your own? Number 9, BLOCC cell phone holder. These days, you're definitely in the minority if you don't have a smartphone. And that's in no small part due to the fact that they're able to act as so many different devices all in one convenient shell. Unfortunately, the form factor of most phones isn't always ideal for when you need to prop it up and get a good hands-free look at the screen. The BLOCC cell phone holder is an innovatively designed new smartphone accessory that changes the game and elevates the utility of your smartphone in a ton of different situations. The BLOCC cell phone holder fits just about any modern smartphone in its secure grip and allows you to place it exactly where you need thanks to the flexible stand. This stand can even be used to wrap around objects and attach your phone to things like bicycle handlebars and the dashboard of your car. Ideal for in-home chefs who want to pull up a recipe video, FaceTime calls with loved ones, and even just relaxing in bed with a good old Netflix binge, the BLOCC cell phone holder might just be the best accessory you can get for a smartphone. Number 8, BLOCC. Did you know that you could be making yourself sick just by touching your face? Did you know that studies have shown that the average person touches their face 23 or more times an hour? Viruses that make us sick and even pose a risk of loss of life can make easy access to our bodies through our eyes, nose, and mouth. That's where BLOCC comes in. This stylish modern face shield keeps your grubby paws away from your sensitive areas without covering your face up like most masks do. Super lightweight, comfortable, and incredibly easy to wear, BLOCC is worn like a pair of safety goggles from the future. What's even better is the fact that you can still wear a mask underneath and your regular glasses if you need to. BLOCC keeps you and your family healthy without sacrificing style or comfort, meaning that this cleverly designed piece of PPE kit is really an instant purchase when it comes to staying safe from dangerous germs and viruses. Number 7, CLIU mask. There are some situations where you need to wear a protective face mask for the safety of you and those around you. The problem is those standard blue surgical masks you see everywhere might be good at keeping particles contained, but they totally hide your face, and therefore facial movements and emotions too. The CLIU mask is an exciting new invention that allows you to stay safe without needing to give up your human expressions. The removable transparent screen unclips super easily so that you can eat or drink without needing to remove the mask. It's secured using a clever system of magnets that create a super tight seal to keep out unwanted particles. The CLIU mask also features replaceable filters to ensure that the air you're breathing stays clean and fresh. These help to protect against pollution, viruses, and even the pollen that flare up your allergies. Number 6, SUNTABLE. If you've ever been stuck at home during the summer, you probably spend a lot more time in the backyard or garden. One of the easiest ways to take your outdoor living spaces to the next level and turn the enjoyment factor up to 100 is to upgrade your furniture to something a little bit more modern than that crumbly old wooden set you've had since the 90s. The SUNTABLE is the eco-friendly outdoor table of the future, offering some modern conveniences that you'll wonder how you lived without. SUNTABLE uses a built-in solar panel to generate energy. Why does a table need electric power, you might ask? Because this isn't any ordinary table. It's also a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker with a speaker unit designed by leading hi-fi manufacturer JBL. One of the most annoying things about being outside is the fact that you don't usually have anywhere to charge your phone. SUNTABLE features a built-in wireless inductive charging pad that will keep your smartphone juiced up and ready to go. Don't have a wireless compatible phone? There's also USB for the old-fashioned wired method. Number 5. MEDUSE. If you've ever spent any time shopping for light fittings, you'll know just how annoying it can be to buy the right one. In fact, with so many different models on the market and so many different light patterns that they create, it can be a downright nightmare, let alone if you ever want some variation in your lighting. MEDUSE isn't like any other light though. It's been designed to allow you control over the light you get in your room exactly how you want it to be. Created by German designer Lukas Basel, MEDUSE isn't just modular in installation, it's actually dynamic. You can adjust the shape of the light shade anytime you like, allowing granular control over the lighting and the mood of the space you're in. Number 4. MOJIETU Lightning. Ever had a flat tire? Didn't have a pump to get it sorted out and had to wait around for someone else to come and bail you out? Kinda ruined your day, didn't it? The MOJIETU Lightning is a super portable smart air pump that'll make those flat tire frowns into a thing of the past and help you get on with your busy life. With one button start, 4 intelligent modes, and a digital air pressure display, the MOJIETU Lightning makes most air pumps look like ancient relics. It even uses smart technology to automatically detect when it's done inflating and cuts off the air. Of course, the MOJIETU Lightning is so much more than just an emergency way to get back on the road. You can use it for your bicycle, sports balls, and even inflatable pool rings. The 2600 milliamp hour battery ensures that this smart pump has plenty of power to keep you going through the day. It also features a built-in lantern with 3 different light modes, ideal for those times you run a flat in the middle of the night. Number 3. IGLOO. If you've got an indoor cat, you'll know that dealing with smelly litter trays isn't exactly a fun experience. They're dirty, make your home smell bad, and quite often the cat kicks litter all over the surrounding area from inside of them. IGLOO is a modern solution to this age-old problem. A litter box that works for you and your home, instead of just being another problem at the back of your mind. Say goodbye to scooping poop. IGLOO does the dirty work for you. When your cat is done with his or her business, IGLOO engages a cleaning cycle that removes solid waste and even places it in a bag for you, meaning that all you have to do is remove the bag and toss it away. IGLOO offers 3 different cleaning cycle options that can be controlled remotely using a free smartphone app. You can even get notifications to let you know that your cat has been to the toilet recently, if you'd like. Number 2. Pocket Scanner. Scanning documents is tedious work and something that we'd all like to do less of. The Pocket Scanner is an amazing new product that allows you to speed up this boring chore and spend more time working on what you actually love. This tiny handheld unit pairs with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and even Windows computers using Bluetooth technology. Simply swipe the Pocket Scanner over your document and let the amazing proprietary software do its thing. This amazing little device displays the results of your scans in real time as you go, something that we've never seen before now. Designed and engineered in Switzerland by high-end scanning company Dacuda, the Pocket Scanner really shows off that famous Swiss attention to detail. The Pocket Scanner doesn't just scan, though. It also understands the documents that you're digitizing. All of the text, numbers, and even tables and spreadsheets are instantly able to be edited using the included software. Number 1. RVR. If you have a trailer or camper, you'll know just what a pain in the rear end it can be to move it around exactly where you want using a vehicle. In fact, most of the time you probably just dump it wherever is easiest rather than fighting to move it where you really want. RVR is your personal robot valet that allows you to position trailers and campers exactly where they need to be without the usual struggle associated with the job. 4 planetary gear motors work in tandem with some seriously heavy-duty tank tracks to allow RVR to move some astonishingly heavy loads. The base model can shift a bone-breaking 3,500 pounds. But if you've got a real heavyweight to move, the highest end model can do up to 9,000 pounds. Fully wireless and remote controlled, with a 360-degree range of movement, RVR allows you to get your trailer precisely where you want it to be. Don't settle for good enough, get it exactly where you want with RVR. And that's 10 latest gadgets and inventions that will blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.